everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. If you are new here, you are welcome. We're doing a video review of this vacuum cleaner that I got online. Just so you know, it's a cordless vacuum cleaner, meaning that I do not have to plug in cables when cleaning. This video might actually be of help to anyone. It's good for rugs and hard floor as well. I have a rug and I have a hard floor as well. So we're going to try that. So let's unbox this vacuum cleaner together. The name of this vacuum cleaner is called, I don't know if you guys can see, Goblin. And it's 29.6 volts cordless. It's a 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. This is everything that comes in the box. Because it's a cordless vacuum cleaner, it comes with a lithium battery, and the battery can be charged for up to 4 hours. Yeah, I will just quickly show you what it comes with. So this is the vacuum stick. I don't know if you can see it. And this is the brush, the floor brush itself. Yep, see it. I think what I don't like about the brush is because of the space in between the brush pillars. I'm not sure how this is going to be able to grab all of the depth on the floor, but we are going to try it. And I think it has a touch light where so that you can be able to see when you are vacuuming. And this is the charger. This is the other brush. I'll show you how to use everything. This is the other option for cleaning. So you have this brush just in case you don't want to use this one. You can use this for your chairs, or you can use this other one for your chairs or your car seats. And this is I think this is for the wall brackets, because you have to also mount this on your wall in your storage place or whatever. And this is the screw for mounting this. I think this is also for mounting on the wall too. And this is the handheld machine itself. Let me just quickly show you guys how to open this. And you can see the battery signal when you're charging. The power button, equal. So this will take up less power, this will take up more power. So this particular vacuum cleaner can last for up to 60 minutes. So if you're using it at maximum power, it can only last up to 30 minutes. But if you're using it at minimal power, which is echo, it will last for up to 60 minutes. Let me show you. Let me open it. I'll give you a quick rundown of the machine itself. So this is where the battery is. So you have like a red button here, and you have another red button here. So you just press the two of them at once and the battery comes out. Just in case maybe you want to replace it if the battery goes faulty or something, you can probably get it from the manufacturer. We put it back in, and this is where, so you press this to dispose the dirt that is contained in here. I'm not sure how much dirt this can contain, but I think that should do for a minimal flat. And here you have the power button. So you have two power buttons. You turn this, you press this one for the machine to come on. So we just press this. So we have the brush, the floor brush, and we have our extended stick. So we just put this in here. So there's like a clip here that clips into this. So we just put this in here, and this should go in easily. So it's attached now. Right? And then if you want to attach this to here, now before I attach this one, right, let me put this down. I'll show you guys how to you want to use this to maybe take off dirt from the table or your chair, you can just put this here and it works. So you just turn this on and then you clean, just probably like this, to suck off dirt, right? So that's one option. That's one option to clean. And then if you don't want to use that one, you want to use this brush instead to clean your chairs, to clean like the spaces in between your chairs. Like for example, in between here, I can probably just use this one. That's why it's a multiple choice. I'm going to attach now the handheld brush. I will just put it in here like this, see? Yeah, I think that's in right now. This is the charger. The vacuum cleaner is almost full right now, so we'll just take it off and try to vacuum the rug. I've actually put grain on the rug just to do a demo of how effective this vacuum cleaner is, and let's see how it goes. I'm going to switch to the maximum power mode now to get all of the grain from the floor. Most of the grain is gone, but we still have some particles left. Although this comes with a 1-year warranty from where I got it from, but it is essential that you wash your filter at least maybe once a month or 2 times a month. So this is an instruction on how to take off the filter. For you to take off the filter, you just put your hand here and then you twist it to the left. Twist it to the left and it comes off. And here is your filter. So this is what you wash. You wash this and then you wash this and then you allow it to dry for 24 hours before putting it back in and then using it, okay? So I'll just put that back in here. And then I hope this video has been helpful to someone out there. If this video was helpful to you, do not forget to like and drop your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.